Welcome back, my friends. We are working on a 2012 Hyundai Accent. It's my neighbor's car, the other one. And, well, they got a trouble code, P0420. Hate that one. That one takes a while to track down, but I've already got a good start on things, trying to find out what's going on with it. And so far, here's where we're at. All right, we got the engine warming up right now, so that we can get some good readings off of the oxygen sensors. And here in just a moment, I'm going to open up the air box, see if the filter's dirty, and we're going to check out the gas cap here momentarily and just make sure it's not loose. Because what's going on here is 0420 is, well, the P0420 code means that the catalytic converter or the catalyst system does not have enough it's not running efficiently enough. That's what I'm trying to say. And basically that means it may not have enough flow going through it. That could be from something impeding airflow. In the case of this thing, it could be a bad catalytic converter, which is what I was kind of leading up to, which I'm really hoping it's not. I hate that light above my head. It also could be some bad oxygen sensors. So I've got my little tester hooked up right now. It's doing a live data scan. I'm about to check it here in a second. Once it gets up to operating temperature, we're going to see what the voltage values are on those sensors, and if they're out of whack, then I'm going to go ahead and say it's probably oxygen sensors that need to be replaced. Gas cap, I tried twisting it already. It doesn't even click. It just like tightens down, and that's pretty much it. So I'm kind of leaning towards that a little bit. I'll know more here in just a few minutes, but in the meantime, let's go ahead and get a look at that scanner, because it's already showing me something. And take a look. Climbing into the car. Gravity. Okay, we got the check engine light. Almost forgot we got 159,000 miles on this thing, and apparently the doors are open too. Okay, we are at operating temperature. Let's see what the old machine says. Oh yeah, zoom sucks. Okay. Long-term and short-term fuel trims are looking pretty nice. Idle is looking, I don't know, I think that's kind of low. I'm used to having vehicles that have a higher idle than that. Okay, eco is off, so that's good. The spark advance has got me wondering. Anyway, okay, oxygen sensor voltage is staying right at about 0.7. That is within tolerance on this thing, and I believe it's, I don't know if it's on any other vehicle. I looked it up for this one. 0.1 to 0.9 is your acceptable tolerance level. If it goes above that, like say 0.45 and stays there, you might have a bad oxygen sensor. And this is bank 1 sensor 1. Could have sworn this thing had 2 sensors. I don't know if that's good or not. 99.2 on the short-term fuel trim. I don't smell gas or anything. Let's see what else we got. If y'all see anything, let me know. Huh. This thing looks okay to me, unless I'm totally missing something here, and that's totally possible because I've not had coffee yet. And it's currently 11:30, so yeah. Okay, well, yeah, those aren't looking too bad. RPMs are jumping, like, just jumping all over the place. I wonder if this thing doesn't have bad spark plugs or a misfire going on. Well, looks like that's something I'm going to be checking. Alright. Alright, time to get down to business and start checking some stuff. Okay, back under the hood we go. We shut it off. We're going to go ahead and check out the air filter. And do y'all see what I see? There's no clamp holding that on. Probably not a deal breaker, but oh yeah. Let's go ahead and pop these little clampy thingies. Let's get that air filter, see how she looks. Put that over there. Some debris, not bad. Yeah, we got a dirty air filter. That's not too bad. I bet I can vacuum it out. Maybe knock it out, but I'm going to definitely recommend an air filter replacement. Yeah, that element is dirty. Alright, give me a moment, I'm going to clean it out. Hey everybody. I didn't get a chance to finish that last video, or this video that this one's attached to, about the car with the, the problem. So, here's what happened. My phone took a crap on me, and it stopped recording, and you would not believe how hard it is to fill up 512 gigabytes of storage space, but apparently I pulled it off and it didn't record anymore. Gee, maybe it's because I'm long-winded, I'm not sure. But anyway, here's what happened. After checking out the car, the spark plugs were definitely in need of a replacement. Customer opted not to do that just yet. And the air filter was also severely blocked, like my asshole after eating a whole bunch of cheese. So I just knocked it out and got the vacuum cleaner after it, and that's the best I could do there. He said he couldn't afford to replace a $4 filter just yet. So, not my problem, not my monkeys, that's okay. He says he will come back to me with orders and money and crap like that so that I can get the job done. Now here's the kicker. Check engine light went out. Yeah, all I did was I pulled the spark plug coilovers off and checked the spark plugs, put them back in, put a little dielectric grease on, and made sure all the connections were nice and tidy. And then the air filter, like I said, I cleaned it out and put it back in. Also made sure to vacuum out the intake system itself to make sure there was nothing screwed up in there. And it was enough. So, hey, problem fixed. I didn't get paid, but I don't charge for diagnostics. I really should. But I'm out here trying to perform a service to help people out that can't afford to do their own automotive repair or things like that. So trying to help out the person that's struggling in life or just can't really afford it, So that's me, your friendly neighborhood mechanic on Christmas Day, finally following up after that attempted work. If you have anything you need done, get a hold of me. You can find me on social media. If not, then just reach out to me here on YouTube. I'm more than happy to give a remote diagnostic, which so far all of my remote diags have been dead on the money. And I've been able to save the customers a lot of money. So I'll post more of these videos, and I hope to see you out there. Trust in monkey business, where we don't mess around with your car much.